Oh, okay. Hello.
Hello.
I'm going to read a book for my son Faris, and this is the book. What is the title of the book?
Hiccups.
Hiccups.
Yes.
Written by. Okay.
I cannot see.
Written by Ray Baines, illustrated by Otto Kunz. Okay. Rosie Rabbit is sad. She has hiccups. She has hiccups, not coughing. Rosie sees her friends. I can't read it. We can't stop your hiccups, they said. Boo!
Ah!
Yells Lucy Goose.
Goose.
Rosie, jump! Oh, then Rosie hiccups.
Yes.
Boris tickles Rosie. Rosie giggles. Then Rosie hiccups. Then Freddy spins Rosie around and around. Let me spin you around.
Yikes.
Rosie is dizzy. Then Rosie hiccups.
Yes.
Boris blows air into a big bag. Pop!
Yes.
Bag goes pop. Rosie falls down. Ouch! Then Rosie hiccups. Drink some water, says Lucy. She gives Rosie water. Rosie drinks and drinks. Rosie still hiccups.
It's not too strong.
Roger Rabbit jumps up and down. Roger kicks up the dust.
Yeah.
Rosie sneezes. Achoo!
Ah.
Rosie does not hiccup.
Yes.
Her friends smile. Then Roger hiccups.
Yes, I did. Next, school bus.